Alrighty guys, here's why I'm pissed off, man. This is freaking crazy. I can't get this in. I took the tank back down. I had it up here and ready to go, but I, for the life of me, can't get this vapor tube to. So I done took it off of here. I had to drop the tank because I want to take a closer look. I thought maybe I had it on backwards, but I don't. It's just literally would not go in there. It would go in there, but it won't click. And then I find out that after I went up to the parts department, they say they don't have one. I was gonna replace the whole hose, and I look in there and see that I'm guessing this little tab. I was gonna replace the whole hose, but this tab is not clicking. So if you try to put this on there and it some vibrate and slide off, guys, you can have a check engine light for evap leaks. Yeah, it won't click. I lubed the hell out of this damn thing, pushed it on there. Can't get it to click and stay on, so I dropped the damn tank back up. Went to the parts department. Let me get a hose. They don't have one. So y'all know what's next. Let's take a trip to. I'm thinking they sell these. I repaired this on. Look, it won't even open out like this end right here. See that? The end right there. Come on, camera. The end right there is the pin is sticking out, so it'll latch. This one's not. Man, let's take a trip to Advanced Auto, AutoZone, one of them. All right, my van right here. We're gonna go in this. Let's get the hell out of here. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. I gotta try to get this fuel tank fixed today. So I gotta pay AutoZone, Advanced Auto, a visit to see if I can get this hose fixed. All right, the hose won't stay on, guys. We can't leave that like that. We can't take those chances. All right, the mere fact that it won't stay on, this little clip right here keep popping off. No, I can't chance that. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if they sell this little. I think they do. I needed one for a smaller one earlier, but we're about to find out. Let's get it. Oh my goodness, please don't let it be made by Derman. Don't tell me Derman about to save the day again. I hate when Derman saved the day. If I was this little clip, where would I hide? Okay, I think I'm in the right area. Oh shit. We on to something. Is that it? What y'all think? Let's see. Oh, that look too small. Is it? What y'all think? Damn, that look too small. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. I need the bigger one. Here go a universal pack. But it's not in there. Oh my goodness. Don't tell me I'm gonna have to go down the street to O'Reilly's. That's what it's looking like, guys. I'm gonna have to go pay O'Reilly a visit. Yeah, I don't think we'll be down this far. Look, I will put a new hose on it, because remember, this a warranty, extended warranty company paying for this, but we don't have one. This guy won his car 2 freaking day. Got to be more careful. What's this? Oh shit. What's it? Damn. This ain't it. Why you got this turnaround? I thought this was it. Didn't get it, guys. Alright. Looks like we gotta go to plan B. Only problem with that is I don't know what the hell plan B is. Damn. Alright, let me take. Is that it? Can anybody tell me? I hate to open this and see if it works. Guys, y'all hold tight. Alright, we just gonna get in trouble. I'm not stealing, but I got to find out if this is it. So I'm just gonna open the package, put it in here and see. Alright. Let's see. You know what? That's freaking it. Hold on. Look at that. That's it right there, guys. That was it. It just looks small in there. That's it. Now it's gonna close up. Yes. All right. I ain't gonna take it out. I'm just gonna go buy this. I'm sorry. Maybe they'll understand. I had to try it first. At least I got an extra. All right, guys. That's what I need right there. I'm gonna leave that in there. Now that ends looks like this, and I got an extra one for. All right, let's get it. Yeah. Alright, guys. Now I can finish this freaking job. Alright, I'm even losing my mind, spazzing out sometime, but Advanced Auto came through with a freaking Derman part. Oh my God, Derman saved the day. I'm not saying that out too loud. I gotta go, guys. Let's finish this Jeep, man. This car should have been gone. Alrighty, guys. I'm back in the shop. Yeah, I gotta get all this stuff back on this car. Yeah, we back in business, guys. Y'all see that? That is the way that's supposed to look. Those little outer sides gonna catch up on this. Let's give it a try. I need to hear that click, baby. Ah, y'all hear that? Y'all heard that click? That's what I wanted to hear. Push the button and pull it out. Yes. Now I can finish this freaking job, guys. All right. I got work to do. Like I say, if you don't do that and this hose vibrate off, you're gonna have, let's say, a evap. So you're gonna have a check engine light on with a P0456 if I had to guess. All right, so yeah, these little Derman saved the day, I guess. Y'all know how painful it is to say that, but I click right on. So now I can get this damn tank back up here, guys. I've wasted way too much time. This car should have been gone. As you can see, I still got the exhaust and the drive shaft. This is 4-wheel drive, so the drive, look at that. The drive shaft had to come off. Oh my goodness. But I'm good to go now, guys. Let's get this baby back up here. Fire this baby up. We're gonna be good to go. Put everything where it's supposed to be. It's your boy, JT the freaking car guy. So I'm gonna just on this video just highlight the fact that these little tabs can be replaced. And I'm sorry to say, yes, Derman. Okay, you heard it. You heard me say it. All right, I gotta go, guys. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, guys. The last thing I'm doing now, guys, is verifying. Let me see. My ball. There it is. It just made it to the bottom. I'm verifying that the tank has no evap leaks. Okay. Yes, the tank is empty. Well, I put 2 gallons of fuel in it. All right, and I running an evap system leak. Last thing I need is for this car to leave and come back the next day with a P0456. So my ball is all the way to the bottom. There is no evap leaks at the tank or the evap system in general. All right, so I'm just about done. I'm gonna go on and fill this extra fuel back in this tank, and we good to go, guys. I gotta go.